Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel again. Today, I'm back with another boring video. But first, I wanted to tell you something. Did you know that New Zealand was the very first country that allowed women to vote? It's true, but that's not important right now. In today's video, I'm going to do something with this area. As you have been watching my channel know, I am downsizing my house, getting rid of stuff, things that are no longer needed. I'm throwing them away, donating them, or selling them. Stuff that is broken, but that I still use, I'm replacing it. And just basically getting rid of everything I can to make my home more comfortable and safer to live in. So today's project is this microwave cart. Now, I've had this thing forever. Y'all probably recognize it's probably from the 70s. I don't even know. Maybe not the 70s, 80s at least. I think I bought it at a yard sale a long time ago for like $3. But I want to get it out and clean behind it, sweep and mop and sanitize back there. Let me show you what's going on. This right here, that's a drawer that if it would open, you could store stuff in there. But it's locked in place. For some reason, it won't come open. I don't know that it ever did. I think when I first bought it, it did come open. But for some reason, now it's jammed and it won't come open. So I've left it alone mainly for the fact that I'm afraid if I mess with it too much, it's going to fall apart. But you can see by looking here, it's pretty well wore out. And look on the inside. It's just, let me get down here where you can see. It's just a bottomless open thing. All this area up here is wasted because there's no shelves in it to put anything. Plus, the back fell off from it a long time ago. So anything you put in there gets pushed out into the floor and you have to get back in there and get it out. So I'm going to get it out of here. I'm going to sweep and mop and sanitize, like I said, and then I'm going to bring a new one in. So I've got my mop bucket ready right here with water ready to go. I just got to get my broom. And then I'll show you when I get it cleaned out what I'm fixing to put in there. Okay, I've removed Jade's dog dish. I have to take these two microwaves and all this stuff off my toaster, this little microwave and this one. The reason I've got two toasters, this one right here I've had for a while and it's on the fritz. It's just a matter of time before it no longer works. So this little one right here is basically brand new. My girlfriend gave that to me like 2 Christmases ago. Her mom got a new microwave and she gave me this one. So I got to take all that stuff off and pull this out. Okay, I got the microwaves off. And look, you can tell, look how worn and old this is. This is made out of particle board. Let me see if I can show you something else. Look how shaky it is. So it's just a matter of time before it was going to collapse and fall on the floor with my microwave on it and break it. So yeah, this thing's going to go in the trash. I'm not even going to try to sell it. I'm just going to put it out on the side of the road and put a free, please take it sign and let somebody else have it. All right, I'm back and I got this done. I swept them off the floors and cleaned and wiped down and sanitized the walls. And let me tell you, that was quite a job for me. I had to stop and rest probably 5 times before I got it all done because it was just wearing me down. But I got the area cleaned where I'm going to put the new microwave cart. Okay, and this right here, this is the cart that I'm putting in there. And it should have been done a long time ago. I've had this thing sitting here in the living room probably 2 or 3 weeks. Here's one of the reasons why I wanted this. See, it's got shelves in it, and it's got a back. So I'll be able to store a few items in there. But I got this, and it came in pieces. I had to put it together. And that took a little bit of time, figuring out what screw to put in where and all that stuff. But I got it done, so now I'm going to carry it in there and put it in the spot, and I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, here's the new microwave cart in its place. Now I measured this, and it's the exact same size as the one that I took out of there. So there shouldn't be any problem with putting the dog's dish down here and then setting those microwaves back up on top. So let me do that, and then I'll come back and show you that again. Okay, here it is with the microwave and the toaster. I decided not to put the little microwave on top. I'm going to put it on the back porch on that table back in front of the washer and dryer. That'll give me a little bit more room. And when I measured this cart was supposed to be the exact same size as the other one. But my microwave legs are slipping off from it. They're not fitting like they did on that other one. I may have to measure it again and find out what I did wrong. But that's it. This is the way it looks. So thank you guys for coming to watch this video. Remember, your life is very short. Make it the absolutely best that you can. And you'll come back and see us again any old time. Well, this is not the end of the video. I wanted to show you. I was hoping I could see that blue dish on top there? I was hoping I could put my other one. It's exactly like that, except it doesn't have the handles on it. It's white. I was hoping I could put it on that next shelf, but it sticks out so far that the door won't shut. The little one fits in there, but I'm not going to be able to put the other ones in there like I was hoping. So I'm going to have to get some more baskets, smaller, to fit in there to hold my jars. But that's what I wanted it for, so I could store extra dishes in there, and it's turning out not to be as much function as I thought. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for this one.